Namaskar. Hello and welcome to a very special show that's coming to you from Mumbai, the city like no other. We are ending our journey on Maharashtra Maza in my very special city of Mumbai with this wonderful audience here. Give them all a very big hand. We are here in Mumbai as Maharashtra is set to go to the polls in this big election battleground state. We've crisscrossed the entire state of Maharashtra. We've traveled 28 districts in the last 10 days and we are ending in the country's commercial capital, the Soneri Nagri, the city of gold, the city of dreams. And we are asking the big question today. Mumbai or Maharashtra ka big boss kaun? Who will be the big boss of Mumbai and Maharashtra exactly a week from now? To answer that big question, we are joined by special guests. Krishna Hegde is a former MLA and he is with the ruling Shiv Sena in Maharashtra. I am joined by Rajiv Pandey. He is the spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Charan Singh Sapra is a familiar face on TV from the Congress Party. And I am joined by Anand Dubey, the ever-smiling spokesperson of the Shiv Sena UBT. Namaskar. आप सभी को मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगा. One question at the start. I want one straight answer, 30 seconds each. Why do you think the people of Mumbai should vote for your party? What is the biggest issue in Mumbai? Krishna Hegde, you first.
See, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation was ruled by the Shiv Sena BJP for a long time under the leadership of Uddhav Thackeray ji. And you know that since 40 years, there's 40,000 crores of budget every year. And for 30 years, they put Mumbai down the drain. Whether it's the schools, whether it's the hospitals, whether it's infrastructure, whether it's flyovers, रास्ते में खड्डे हैं क्या खड्डे में रास्ते समझ में नहीं आ रहा है और water supply deficit, garbage disposal not in order. And I think people are fed up now. Ever since Eknath Shinde ji came here, 850 kilometers of roads we are concretizing, water supply we've regularized. Apart from that, even during COVID, the kind of corruption they had, 6,000 crores of corruption only in COVID, even in body bags, even in khichdi, and even in medicines. Utterly distasteful. And I think this is a government, 24 hours we work for the people, Eknath Shinde and the Maya Yuti, and therefore we think we are not running a Facebook live government like Uddhav Thackeray. We are running a face-to-face government. We have given Mumbai all the infrastructure, Atal Setu, Coastal Road, Metro, everything we have given.
Can I just ask you one question before I move on? When Eknath Shinde was part of Shiv Sena, you had no problem. जब BMC में Eknath Shinde was also part of the same Shiv Sena. अब सब कुछ बुरा हो गया.
I'll answer. Eknath Shinde was not the part of the BMC. He was the part of the TMC, and the TMC was running regularly.
Thane Municipal Corporation.
And therefore, Eknath Shinde
थाने में सब कुछ ठीक था और BMC में करप्शन.
हाँ, आपने कहा था क्योंकि BMC under Uddhav Thackeray, Thane under Eknath Shinde, and that's why we kept winning Thane all the time, and that's why today Eknath Shinde ji, the doer, is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
आनंद दुबे इसका जवाब दीजिए जो मैंने पूछा आपको. लोगों ने उद्धव बाला साहेब ठाकरे या उद्धव ठाकरे को क्यों वोट देना चाहिए? वो कह रहे हैं भ्रष्टाचार हुआ था बीएमसी में इसलिए वोट मत दीजिए. आप बताइए क्यों वोट देना चाहिए उद्धव बाला साहेब ठाकरे को?
राजदीप सर नमस्ते, आपका मुंबई में स्वागत है.
थैंक यू.
सिंस लास्ट 30 years कंटिन्यूअसली शिवसेना इलेक्शंस बिकॉज ऑफ द मुंबईकर कंटिन्यूअसली गिविंग टू अस ब्लेसिंग. हमने कुछ काम किया होगा तभी तो 30 वर्षों से लगातार हमें चुन के दे रही हैं. और सुनिए, कोरोना के संकट काल के समय में जिस धारावी मॉडल की भारत ही नहीं पूरे दुनिया में सराहना हुई, उसे ये लोग कैसे भूल जाते हैं. जिस मुंबई में आपने देखा कि इतने भयंकर महामारी में पूरी दुनिया में हाहाकार था, लेकिन मुंबई सुरक्षित हाथों में थी ड्यू टू उद्धव बाला साहब ठाकरे जी, शिव सैनिकों के द्वारा. तो हम वही काम तो बताएंगे जो हमारा इतिहास है. ये क्या बताएंगे? इन्होंने तो
ये कहते हैं खिचड़ी स्कैम हुआ था, ये कहते हैं कोविड में स्कैम हुए थे.
लोगों को जब भूख लगी थी तो खिचड़ी देकर उनका जीवन बचाया था. वो स्कैम जो अमोल भैया कीर्तिकर जिनके ऊपर ये आरोप लगाते, मात्र 48 वोटों से जानबूझकर इनकी नकली शिवसेना ने हरा दिया. ये क्या बात करेंगे राजदीप सर? आप भी जानते, आप एक मुंबईकर हैं, आपण एक मराठी माणूस आहोत, आपल्याला माहित आहे असली कोण आहे, नकली कोण आहे. आणि आमच्या सोबत आमचं चरित्र आहे. आज आमचे दैवत हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाळासाहेब ठाकरे साहेबांची पुण्यतिथी आहे. आम्ही त्यांची कसम खाऊन सांगतोय की महाविकास आघाडी आणि शिवसेना और महाविकास आघाड़ी के नेतृत्व में ही मुंबई और महाराष्ट्र का विकास तय है.
ठीक है. Yes, today is actually Bala Saheb Thakere's Punyatithi, his death anniversary, and very interesting. Charan Singh Sapra, Rahul Gandhi has suddenly remembered Bala Saheb Thakre. इतने साल तो भूल गए थे, suddenly remembered Bala Saheb Thakre. Please tell me, Charan Singh Sapra, why should people be voting for your Mahavikas Aghadi in Mumbai?
See, number one, the party which has won only one seat in Mumbai in Lok Sabha elections, how can they claim कि मुंबई पे उनका कंट्रोल हो सकता है भारतीय जनता पार्टी? और दूसरी बात, जो आपने कहा कि
लोकसभा और विधानसभा में फर्क है, प्लीज. लोकसभा दे वन सीट.
अभी 3 महीने पहले हुआ, देख लेना 20 तारीख को क्या होता है. You'll get the results. Now, as far as Mumbai is concerned, what are they talking about? See the situation, law and order situation over here. Baba Siddiqui is killed on the road. This is the situation of Mumbai. छगन भुजबल जो इनके मंत्री हैं, उसके ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट की हत्या होती है सड़क पर, 22 बार चाकू मार दिया जाता है. सचिन कुर्मी, अगर मैं नाम याद हो तो. गोसालकर, फेसबुक लाइव, हैव यू हर्ड? फेसबुक लाइव पर मर्डर होता है और आज तक उसकी क्या तहकीकात हुई है पता नहीं है. सो दिस इज द सिचुएशन ओवर हियर. इफ यू गो आउट ऑफ मुंबई, पुणे में कोयता गैंग, नागपुर के अंदर गैंग वॉर. This is the situation under Mahayuti. This is a Mahabhrasht Yuti. इन्होंने मंत्रालय को घोटाला केंद्र बना दिया.
Sir, when you were in power, your home minister was arrested. Anil Deshmukh was arrested. He was accused also of misappropriation of funds. He was accused of corruption. He spent more than a year in jail. So that, you are the first time in the history of Maharashtra, the home minister is put behind bars. You are accusing them of corruption. They will put 4 fingers at you.
You yourself said he was accused. कन्विक्शन नहीं हुआ है. और हमारा हिंदुस्तान का कायदा कहता है जब तक कन्विक्शन नहीं होता है उसको आप कन्विक्टेड भी कह नहीं सकते. ये तो इनकी आदत है. मींस स्मीयर कैंपेन, दे आर इन्वॉल्वड इनटू स्मीयर कैंपेन एवरीवेयर एंड एनीवेयर. दैट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ भारतीय. एंड नाउ एज फार एज बाल ठाकरे यू सेड, लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स नॉट दैट राहुल गांधी जी हैज रिमेंबर्ड नाउ. I would like to remind you that when Rahul Gandhi ji came for Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, he went to the Smarak and see this. This is the manifesto of Mumbai.
Shiv Sena
Congress
calls
Party.
Shiv Sena called Bala Saheb Thakre Hindu Hriday Samrat. Do you agree with that or not? Is he a Hindu Hriday Samrat?
So what happened?
No, is he or not?
हिंदुओं की जान है बाला साहब ठाकरे.
Times are changing. Okay, times are changing. Elections are here. You're smiling there, Mr. Pandey. But please tell me, why do you think people should vote for the BJP here in Mumbai?
Rajdeep, first of all, Bala Saheb की पुण्यतिथि पर उनको नमस्कार करते हैं. I will start my statement. Rajdeep, why people will vote for me, for BJP, for Mahayuti? The reason is very clear. The kind of development we have done and the stability and security. Charan Singh Sapra ji is talking about that some stray incidences. Just you remember. Listen to me. This is very unfair.
No, he did not.
This is very unfair.
One minute. Audience, I'll let you respond. But please don't interrupt. Please go ahead.
In this city,
Yes.
on 26/11, 200 people were butchered and what they were doing? Every year, Mumbai was bombed by Islamic terrorists. Train blast, Mumbai blast, Ghatkopar blast. So what I am saying,
Please, audience, please.
After May 2014,
Ji.
have you heard single Islamic terror attack in Mumbai? So that's why people will vote for me.
Rajdeep.
Why people will vote for me? Because we are giving security. We are giving security and stability. And as far as development is concerned, Rajdeep ji is concerned, the kind of development has happened in Mumbai and in surrounding areas, everybody is well aware. Whether it is the Delhi-Mumbai expressway, Samriddhi Mahamarg, Atal Setu, 40 years Congress was waiting to complete Nhava Sheva Sea. Their plan was coastal road. What they were doing, they did nothing. We are trying to decongest the city. And I am telling you on your channel, I am saying, Mahayuti will win more than 24 seats out of 36 in Mumbai. Just wait for this.
Rajdeep,
Okay.
Rajdeep.
Now
Rajdeep.
you know, 1 minute, 1 minute. Charan Singh Sapra, you wanted to intervene. Please let's intervene after everyone has finished. That's the nice way. ये हम मुंबई है.
तो मैं अभी
एक
उत्तर
दूसरे
दे
की
दूं?
सुनते हैं. So he said you are highlighting stray incidents. Your response.
Stray incident. What a shame.
No,
इनका
no, now you must
इनका
let him
नेता
speak.
इनका नेता जो पहले महाराष्ट्र राज्य का मंत्री था, उसका कत्ल हो जाता है. बिश्नोई गैंग है या क्या है, वो तहकीकात के बाद में निकलेगा. ही सेइंग स्ट्रे इंसिडेंट. इन्हीं का नेता ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट सड़क पे मारा जाता है.
He is repeating.
दैट इज अ
Can I
स्ट्रे
respond?
इंसिडेंट.
No, let
तो
him respond.
स्ट्रे इंसिडेंट यानी आपके नेताओं
He's-
ने तो
He's
आपके नेताओं ने
claiming, no, Charan
आपके
Singh
नेताओं ने
Sapra,
तो
1
लोगों
minute. 1 minute, Charan
मेरे
Singh
को
Sapra,
complete
he's
करने दीजिए.
claiming that terrorism was there in Mumbai,
मुझे
train
complete
blast,
करने
attack
दीजिए.
of 26/11. Your response.
स्ट्रे इंसिडेंट, यू नो, ही मींस टू से इनके नेताओं ने तो स्ट्रे डॉग भी बोला है लोगों को. वो भी बोला है स्ट्रे डॉग, अगर मैं वो भी गिना सकता हूं. नाउ इफ ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट टेररिज्म,
Yes.
व्हाट हैपेंड इन पार्लियामेंट ड्यूरिंग अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी टाइम? क्या हुआ था? अटैक नहीं हुआ था पार्लियामेंट पे. ये ध्यान भटकाना चाहते. दे डोंट वांट टू टॉक ऑन द इश्यूज ऑफ पीपल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. दे डोंट वांट टू टॉक ऑन इन्फ्लेशन. दे डोंट वांट टू टॉक ऑन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. दे डोंट वांट टू टॉक ऑन एग्रेरियन क्राइसिस. दे डोंट वांट टू टॉक ऑन फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस. 8 लाख करोड़ का कर्जा हो गया है. कौन भरेगा? हम भरेंगे, हमारे माँ बाप भरेंगे.
Okay,
तुम नहीं भरोगे.
let Mr. Pandey or Mr. Hegde respond
No,
to
no,
this
let-
question.
let-
The
only-
question which is being raised, very simple. When Prime Minister Modi has attacked the opposition saying they give revdies, they give freebies, now your government is being accused कि यार पैसे की तिजोरी खोल दी है. You want to give whatever it takes. In fact, the rumor, according to or the speculation in Mumbai, Krishna Hegde, I won't use the word rumor, speculation is you are willing to pay 5,000 rupees a vote. इतना पैसा हो गया है शिवसेना में, you are willing to pay 5,000 rupees a
Rajiv,
vote.
can I
True
respond
or
just
not?
one line? One line.
Yeah, no,
Only-
let
then
this-
he can respond.
Okay.
Only one line. I am
Yes.
saying,
Yes.
can anybody say that after 2014 May, any terrorist attack has taken place in Mumbai? In their place, what was happening?
मुंबई में कह रहे हैं.
I am talking about Mumbai.
मुंबई.
Even in the country, tell me whether any terrorist attack has taken place in Delhi.
One minute,
Am I right or wrong? Tell me,
I'll-
sir.
One minute. Now, no. Let Krishna Hegde respond. Krishna
No, no,
Hegde.
no. He
1
said-
minute.
he said anywhere in the country.
I will let you respond, sir. 1
Yeah,
minute.
yeah,
1
yeah.
minute. Krishna Hegde, simple question I put. Everywhere I am going, I am hearing about use of money power in this election on a scale that has not been seen. There are reports that your party is willing to pay 5,000 rupees a vote केवल जीतने के लिए. And then you say, where is the money coming from? ये जहां मैं जाता हूं मुंबई में आप ही के होर्डिंग्स है. पैसा कहां से आया?
देखिए, काम करने वाले सरकार को,
Please go ahead.
काम करने वाले
English,
सरकार,
please. हाँ.
all those who work
हाँ.
will get support. और हमने हमारे लाडकी बहनाओं को 5,000 नहीं 7,500 रुपया दिया है 5 महीनों में. और ऐसे
राजीव-
हमने अनगिनत योजना दी. Senior
एक
citizens,
मिनट.
we gave योजना
नहीं, सुनने दीजिए,
we
सुनने
have
दीजिए.
given yojanas to senior citizens.
Madam,
we have
please.
given yojana to youth.
Madam, please.
We have given yojana for
Madam, this is
infrastructure.
not right.
We have given yojana
Madam,
for
this is not
farmers.
right.
We have given
Please
yojana.
go.
We have,
Please listen.
we have given yojana for farmers. We have given yojana for senior citizens. We have given free transport to women. We have given farmers compensation. We have given 12,000 rupees.
Okay, he's saying the state has
No,
run,
just-
no,
no,
1
I
minute,
will
Mr.
tell you,
Hegde.
yeah.
He's saying the state has run an 8 lakh crore deficit debt as a result, and Maharashtra, therefore, which was seen as one of India's industrial powerhouse, is slowly facing possibly a financial crisis in the future. Your response?
During that time, Maharashtra had gone down to number 3, number 4, and number 6 in every position. Today, in industry, commerce, agriculture, infrastructure, everywhere, Maharashtra is number 1. Over that, Maharashtra is driving a $500 billion economy, rushing to a $1 trillion economy, and the state can afford this 46,000 crores, which we are giving to our Ladli Behnas.
Okay.
We are a government which is elected for the people, by the people, and of the people, and we will serve the people of
Okay.
Maharashtra
I
whatever
wa-
they want.
I-
They went to court against
Okay,
us.
1 minute.
They went
Now,
to
I've
court
heard you.
against us.
I've heard you. Each one of you. No, equal. I will let. Sir, I will come.
FD has been reduced from 82,000 crore to 52,000 crore. FDs have been reduced.
One minute. I will, you see, let's give everyone equal chance. I will give a few questions to the audience. Anand Dubey, please respond. There are 2 allegations that are being made. एक कहा जा रहा है कि when you have been in power for BMC over the last 30 2 साल से तो चुनाव ही नहीं हुए अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बट द फैक्ट इज जो भी गलती होती है मुंबई में, फिंगर आपके ऊपर पॉइंट होता है कि शिवसेना यूबीटी मुंबई के कंट्रोल में थी, बीएमसी के कंट्रोल में थी. इफ थिंग्स गो रॉन्ग दे विल ब्लेम यू. वो बार बार कहते हैं, आप पर उंगली उठाते हैं.
अब अगर मैं इसको उल्टा कहूं कि मुंबई मतलब शिवसेना और शिवसेना मतलब मुंबई, ठाकरे मतलब मुंबई शिवसेना और मुंबई ठाकरे मतलब शिवसेना, इसको ऐसे कहिए ना. देखिए मुंबई की जो जनता है ना, इसको प्रेम चाहिए, इसको सम्मान चाहिए, इसको विकास चाहिए. अभी डेवलपमेंट की बात हो रही थी, कोस्टल रोड बीएमसी का सपना मतलब शिवसेना का सपना. हमने शुरुआत की,
अरे
फीता ये लोग
बनाया
काट
हमने,
रहे हैं.
शुरुआत
एक
क्या
मिनट,
था?
फीता ये लोग
भैया।
एक मिनट, फीता ये काट रहे हैं. मेट्रो वर्सोवा से घाट को याद होगा, पृथ्वीराज चौहान जी ने उसका उद्घाटन किया था, उन्होंने चलाया. तो ये जो कहते हैं और जो करते हैं उसमें बहुत बड़ा अंतर होता है.
SCLR.
और अभी ये सादगी की बात करें,
एक मिनट.
अभी ये सादगी की बात करें. आपने पूछा पैसा कहां से आता है. अरे पैसा तो चंद उद्योगपतियों के यहां से आता है, क्योंकि पहले मुख्यमंत्री है जो हेलीकॉप्टर से किसान बनने जाते हैं. ये अपने गांव हेलीकॉप्टर से जाते हैं और वहां पे फोटो खिंचवाते हैं हल चलाते हुए. ये तो ऐसे लोग हैं, इन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार करके
आप कह रहे हैं
लूट
आपके,
मचा
नहीं,
रखी
1
है.
मिनट प्लीज. नाउ लेट अस नॉट से कि आपके पार्टी में भी ऐसे नेता नहीं हुए हैं जिनकी एसेट्स बहुत इंक्रीज हुए. महाराष्ट्र में सभी नेताओं के एक बार सरकार में आते हैं एसेट्स इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. बट चरण सिंह छापरा, द रियल इश्यूज ऑफ मुंबई इज अर्बन रिन्यूअल. इफ आई लुक एट द रोड्स, कोस्टल रोड तो बहुत अच्छा है, मैं आपको और रोड्स पे ले जाता हूं, हालत वैसी नहीं है. आप कोस्टल रोड दिखाते हैं अपने फोटोग्राफ्स में. लुक एट द रेस्ट ऑफ मुंबई, look at the state of schools, look at the state of local level health centers. Would you concede that जो मुंबई के इंचार्ज होगा, मुंबई का बिग बॉस, मुंबई को चाहिए क्या? लेट द ऑडियंस, क्या चाहिए सबसे ज्यादा मुंबई में, क्या चाहिए?
हमें हॉस्पिटल चाहिए, हमें स्कूल अच्छा चाहिए, हमें रोड अच्छा चाहिए. हम
कांग्रेस से हैं. अच्छा ठीक है, कांग्रेस से. और कौन है? क्या चाहिए मुंबई को? क्या चाहिए? विकास का मतलब क्या है?
विकास
का मतलब क्या?
तगड़ा विकास चाहिए, सब कुछ.
अच्छा तगड़ा विकास. नहीं, क्या चाहिए?
ट्रैफिक की समस्या सबसे पहले हमारे महाराष्ट्र में ट्रैफिक की समस्या कम होनी चाहिए, जहां पे बहुत सारी समस्या गाड़ी की.
विकास, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन. चरण सिंह छापरा, द बीजेपी is saying they are going to win this election on their claim of विकास. How do you respond? What is विकास?
देखिए आपने सवाल पूछा था, यू आस्क देम कि पैसा कहां से आता है.
राइट.
तो खोखे सरकार को पूछने की जरूरत है क्या? इनके विधायक ने कहा था, देयर ओन एमएलए सेड 50 खोखे सब कुछ ओके. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? तो वो खोखे हैं तो वो खोखे बट रहे हैं. इनका स्लोगन क्या होना चाहिए पता है?
आंसर माय क्वेश्चन.
बांटेंगे, वो बटोगे तो कटोगे नहीं, लूटेंगे और बांटेंगे, ये इनका स्लोगन होना चाहिए.
नहीं, 1 मिनट. व्हाट इज विकास? पीपल आर सेइंग, किसी ने ट्रैफिक का इशू किया, समवन मेंशन्ड स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स. For the last 20 years, there's a sense that urban renewal of the kind that is needed has not taken place. One coastal road, Atal Setu, is not going to change the face of Mumbai. Do you accept that or not?
No, I accept. And now there is a need that we need good schools, good BMC schools, good schools of the run by the state government. We need good hospitals also. Their infrastructure in hospitals in Mumbai is not very good. Let me tell you very frankly. That needs to be improvised. So there are so many things on which we need to work. But basically law and order is the issue, and corruption is also an issue. The kind of corruption these Mahayuti Sarkar has done. What are they doing? They are giving entire Dharavi project to Adani. Why? That airport to Adani. Why? The power projects to Adani. Why?
No, you made a point. You had your time. Let him respond. You have made a serious allegation.
429 acres of Dharavi, they are giving 990 acres of
Okay,
land
1
to
minute.
Adani.
Okay, Charan Singh
786 lakh crore rupees worth project. They are giving it to Adani. ये भ्रष्टाचार.
Okay, you made your point.
पहले जो कंपनी थी उसको किस तरह से इन्होंने ट्विस्ट
Sir,
किया वो भी मैं बोल सकता हूं.
Charan Singh Chhapra,
time will go into that.
Charan Singh Chhapra, let him respond. Rajiv ji, you have been, they are making an allegation that you are selling out Mumbai to one industrialist.
मुंबई को गिरवी रख रहे हैं. ये मेरा चार्ज है.
Now let him respond. No, he must respond first. Rajiv.
Rajdeep,
Yes.
the issue is they are talking about the Dharavi project given to Adani.
Yes.
Their CM is going, and in Telangana, what they are doing, they are aware. So they are saying,
I'll take it.
no, this is very,
One minute.
second point.
No,
Rajdip,
he's asking a direct. He's
I'm-
claiming.
no, this is wrong.
I'm giving a direct
goal
answer.
for change.
Please
this
respond.
project,
Rajdip, give me
No,
a-
yes.
Yeah.
Give the right
Since,
answer.
since 2007,
Yes. 1 minute, please.
umpteen number of tenders were floated for Dharavi.
Yes.
During their regime also, no one came and took the tenders. 3 times Dharavi master plan was made. No one took the tenders. Ultimately, one Adani group came. He was the richest man in the world. Biggest corporate in the world. We should be proud
Rajiv.
that our corporate is
Rajiv.
one of the biggest in
can I
India.
complete
No,
my
no, no,
point?
there is a
Not say
correction.
that we sold.
Rajdip,
He has the
misguiding.
capacity to build Dharavi.
Sir.
He can build Dharavi. Second thing, let me tell you. These people did Vasuli from Metro, Coastal Road, RA,
The
Atal
earlier
Setu
contract
contractors.
was of
Everybody
5,700
infrastructure to us.
Okay,
you
And
are
they
saying-
are talking about
earlier-
money.
only one line. You
Sir,
did not
the
allow me to
earlier-
complete.
Let him complete.
I-
Karan
okay.
Sapra, let him
Okay,
complete.
let him
I'm
complete.
saying,
Yes.
you are such a senior journalist and you are reporting unsubstantiated truth that this government is giving 5,000 rupees for votes.
These are the charge that has been made
No,
by
they
the
charge.
opposition.
They are useless people. They will keep on making
Oh,
charge.
you are very useful about-
Rahul
They are
Gandhi.
useless.
Rahul Gandhi. That
He's the
Indian
most useless
constitution will be
He's the
scrapped.
most useless
Tell me,
person
Rajdeep
here.
Sardesai.
No,
Can
what is he
anybody?
talking?
Can anybody? Can
What
anybody?
is he
on this
talking?
side-
1 minute.
Can
No, stop
anybody? I'm Rajdeep.
No,
I'm
1 minute.
asking.
He can't talk like
I
this.
am not
1 minute,
talking
1
about
minute.
you.
No, no, no,
I am talking about
useless.
Congress party.
No, you can't. No.
I am saying
How
only
can you
one
talk
thing.
Congress is a useless party.
No, no.
How can you
Allow
say?
me to
How
complete.
can- No, I will not allow you.
Rajdeep.
I will not allow you.
No, no,
This
no,
is
no.
not
say that?
fair.
No, I will not allow you.
This
Rajiv,
type
I
of
will not
Okay,
allow
I
you.
am-
No,
Not-
you can't do
not
this.
acceptable.
You
1 minute,
can't
1
do
minute, 1
this.
minute.
This
Rajiv,
cannot be
Are
done.
we going to allow?
Rahul
1
Gandhi
minute.
We
was
are not-
talking
No,
false
no.
things
This is-
about
Sir,
Indian
this type of
constitution being
language
a
is
scrap.
No,
not
no, no, no,
acceptable.
no, no,
How
no.
can you
Not
take this word?
acceptable.
No.
Can it be done?
This is not fair.
Word. No.
No, no, this is not fair. This is not fair.
This is.
No, no,
How
no,
can he
no,
say
no, no,
useless?
no.
You can't say useless.
Don't
You
try to
can't say
intimidate.
useless.
Don't try to intimidate.
Oh, no
Don't
intimidation.
try to intimidate.
Ah.
Don't try this
No,
gundagardi here.
no,
Ek
but
minute, ek
you
minute.
can do gundagardi. You can do that gundagardi.
एक
About-
मिनट, एक मिनट. पुलिस वाले जरा
You can do this
अच्छा,
gundagardi.
एक मिनट.
You can say useless. You
Useless
can say
party.
useless. You can say useless. Or
No,
what?
no, 1 minute, 1 minute. Please, Mr. Sapra.
No.
Please go back.
How can he say useless?
No, no, that is.
Who has given him the right to
You
say
can
useless?
respond to him. Why do you have to? No, no, this is not
No,
fair.
This cannot be
1
the
minute.
case. No, he has to be in
What
limits.
I'm saying.
He has to be in limits. He has to apologize.
Okay.
Rajdeep,
Let him apologize.
I am saying
This
Rahul
type of
Gandhi was
language
talking
is
about
not
the
acceptable,
Constitution.
sir.
Your
Audience.
This is
That's
our
why I said
Mumbai,
that.
Maharashtra.
Narendra Modi is a fraud.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ladies and gentlemen, we've had a unfortunate situation here where a word was used which has led to a section of the audience from the Congress party objecting to the word of the useless. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. हमें एक दूसरे को सुनने की आदत होनी चाहिए. However, 1 minute, Mr. Pandey. 1 minute now. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. No, this is not 1 minute. Everybody has a right to use to speak their mind. It is better that you don't use personal words. But my limited. Okay. In conclusion, sir, we have traveled across Maharashtra. This is the land of Phule Shahu Ambedkar, right? In a land like this, we don't want to have confrontation. मैं बस आपसे इतनी दरखास्त करता हूं. मैंने माइक इसलिए बंद किया क्योंकि इस तरह से जो हो रहा है उससे जनता को रॉन्ग मैसेज जाता है. मैं आपसे बस इतना ही कह रहा हूं. We don't want to use personal language against anyone, and he has agreed. But I just want to say one, Mr. Charan Singh Sapra, he has agreed. I am just going to say one thing. I have traveled across Maharashtra for the last 10 days, and we met people across from different segments of society. This is a wonderful state. ये हमारा महाराष्ट्र है. Maharashtra, I believe, deserves better politicians across the board. अच्छे नेता होने चाहिए जो जनता की सेवा करते हैं. Whichever party they belong to. I think we accept that. All parties accept that. And I hope that you all will follow that whoever comes to power, महायुति आए या महाविकास आघाड़ी आए, मुंबई की सेवा करिए, जनता की सेवा करिए. And एक दूसरे पर ये आरोप प्रत्यारोप से I don't think Maharashtra will go ahead.
So I want to leave it there because we have run out of time because of this unfortunate incident that happened just now. When we return, I will be joined by the man who's in charge, Eknath Shinde. I'll be speaking to him. You've been watching Maharashtra Maza and you've been a wonderful audience. Thank you. Dhanyavad. आणि आपण बघत राहा इंडिया टुडे. Back in a moment. Jai Maharashtra. Jai Hind.